This 7-minute workout burns belly fat faster than a 1-hour gym session. And you can do it right in your bedroom. No equipment, no excuses. Let's go! Since the pandemic, more people have ditched the gym and transformed their bodies from home. And guess what? It's still working, better than ever. Today, you'll learn a science-backed fat-burning workout that's been helping thousands shed stubborn belly fat in just 7 minutes a day. No fancy gear, just your body, a mat, and a mindset to win. Don't wait until next Monday. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Let's get into the workout. 7-min belly fat burner. No equipment needed. 45 secs on, 15 secs rest. 1. High knees, 45s. Burn calories fast plus engage your core. Pump those arms. Keep tempo. Drive the knees up and breathe. Push the last few reps. Almost there. Rest. 15 seconds between each modifiers included 2. Mountain climbers, 45s. Hit that deep lower belly fat. Stay low and explosive. Pro tip, go faster in round 2. Drive your knees, keep breathing. Rest, stay moving lightly if needed. 3. Plank with shoulder taps, 45s. Tighten your core and torch side fat. Don't rock your hips, stay controlled. Keep shoulders stacked, breathe through it. Short rest, catch your breath. 4. Squat to knee raise, 45s. Lower body plus core equals sign burn plus toning. Keep form, lift with control. Drive through the heel, engage core. Rest. 5. Leg raises, 45s. Sculpt your lower abs. Control is key, no rushing. Feel the burn? That's progress. Slow down on the descent, control it. This 7-minute circuit uses height-style training, spiking your heart rate and keeping your body in fat burn mode for hours, even after you're done. 6. Plank jacks, 45s. Cardio meets core in one killer move, boosts heart rate plus calorie burn. Finish strong, hold form. The secret, afterburn effect. You torch fat while watching Netflix later. Plus, using your body weight builds lean muscle, which eats more calories 24/7. 7. Bicycle crunches, 45s. Obliques on fire. Push through, this is where the fat melts. Great job, cool down and stretch next. Your body doesn't need a gym, it needs consistency. Do this 7-minute workout every morning or night for the next 14 days, and watch the belly shrink and the energy soar. Want to take it up a notch? Add resistance bands. Stack this routine. No plateau, no excuses. Make sure to hit subscribe for more science-backed workouts, home remedies, and fat-burning hacks every week. Comment ready if you're starting this today, and drop A if you're in. Like this video if you broke a sweat, and share with a friend who needs to see this. Let's crush those goals together. You've got this.